Hello, this is lecture number 1 for the chapter Arithmetic Progression for the class 10th. Now this is the new topic which you have not done in your previous classes. So first of all, we'll do the basics what our arithmetic progression is. Let us take the list of the following numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Let us take another 2, 2, 2, 2 and so on. Let us take 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on is the list of some number. Each number in this list is called the term of this list of number. These are another terms. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 are the term of these list of numbers. So an arithmetic progression is the list of numbers in which each term is obtained by a fixed number by adding fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. So what is the arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is the list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. In short, it is written as AP, arithmetic progression. The fixed number is called the common difference of the AP. The fixed number is called the common difference of the AP. Let us take this. Now, this term is obtained by adding 1 to this number. 1 plus 1, that is 2. Then this is obtained by adding 1 to this number. This number is obtained by adding to this number and so on. Again, this, let us take this. This is obtained by 0 to this number. This obtained by adding 0 to this number. This obtained by adding 0 to this number and so on, except the first term. This number is obtained by adding minus 1 to this number. This term is obtained by adding minus 1 to this number. 1 is obtained by adding minus 1 to 2 and so on. So these are the list of the numbers which are in arithmetic progression, and the common difference. The difference between the two numbers is known as the common difference, that is 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 3, 1. This is known as the common difference of the arithmetic progression. 2 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2, 0 and so on. This is called the common difference of the arithmetic progression. Again, 3 minus 4, 2 minus 3, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 0. This is known as the common difference of the arithmetic progression. The first term of the arithmetic progression is denoted by this is known as the first term, denoted by usually small a, and the common difference is generally denoted by this small d. And this is the first term, and the second term is obtained by adding the fixed number to the preceding term except the first term, and this fixed number is known as the common difference, and it is denoted by small d, generally denoted by small d. So the journal form of arithmetic progression. The first term is denoted by a. The next term is obtained by adding the fixed number which is known as the common difference to the preceding term. Next will be a plus 2d. Next will be a plus 3d and so on. The last term or the nth term is obtained by adding a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the journal form of the arithmetic progression: a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d and so on. And the last term of the nth term of this arithmetic progression is a plus n minus 1 into d, which is known as the journal term or the nth term. This is denoted by nth term, tn. It is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. You can obtain by putting the value of n any term of the arithmetic progression. If you have to find the term 6 of this AP T6, sixth term, you can replace n by 6 and you will get a plus 5t. That is Sixth term is a plus 5d. Similarly, ninth term you have to find. You replace n by 9 in this. You will obtain a plus 9 into 1 into d is equal to a plus 8d. This is the any term of the arithmetic progression. 10th term will be a plus 9d. 11th term will be a plus 10d, and so on. So this is the journal term or the nth term of the arithmetic progression. This is the nth term of the arithmetic progression, where a is the first term, d is the common difference or the fixed term, which is obtained by subtracting any term to any term its preceding term. This is the common difference and it is always constant. ये फिक्स रहता है, it is always constant, and a is the first term. A is the first term. Let us take this. This is also arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression because common difference will obtain any term by its preceding term, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2. Another common difference 6 minus 4, that is the common difference will always same. 8 minus 6, that is always same. This common difference is always same in the arithmetic progression. So this is the concept of the arithmetic progression, and the common difference is obtained by subtracting any term from its preceding term. That is, you have to find the common difference. You subtract 8 from the next term after this, that is 10 minus 8. 8 minus 6 हमेशा इक्वल आएगा. अगर इक्वल नहीं है तो it means the term are not in arithmetic progression. So this is the arithmetic progression: journal term, the common difference, the first term, and the journal term or the nth term. As I already told you, it is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term or the journal term of the arithmetic progression. So the first exercise of your NCERT book is based on this journal term of this arithmetic progression. Let us start with the exercise 5.1. Question number 1, what it says: in which of the following situation does the list of the number involved make a arithmetic progression, and why? Okay, so let us take the first part. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is 15 for the first, पहले किलोमीटर के लिए 15 रुपीज है, and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer plus 8 for the additional kilometer, that is 8 per kilometer is the additional charge. Now the taxi fare for the first is rupees 15. So let us call it first term, or T1 is equal to 15. This is the first term, and the next term will be for the next kilometer. It will be, second term will be 15 plus 8. सेकेंड किलोमीटर के लिए 23 रुपीज़ लगेंगे. थर्ड किलोमीटर के लिए 15 प्लस 8 इट विल बी 31. एंड फोर्थ किलोमीटर के लिए कितना लगेगा? 15 प्लस 8 इट विल बी 39, एंड सो ऑन. So we are obtaining these terms, that is 15, 23, 31, 39, and so on. Now, if it is arithmetic progression, their common difference should be same. Let us find the first common difference. 23 minus 15, it is equal to 8. Second common difference will be 31 minus 23, again it is 8. Next common difference you find, that is 39 minus 31, again 8, and so on. So it means all the common difference are same. So it means therefore it is an arithmetic progression. क्योंकि इसके सारे common difference equal हैं, तो ये arithmetic progression बना रहा है. So this is the question number 1, first part of your NCERT book. Common difference same होना चाहिए. Second part of this question number 1, what it says? It says that the amount of the air present in the cylinder when the vacuum pumps remove 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. हर एक बार उसका पर जो इसका जो एयर है, it is removed 1/4 उसका रिमूव हो जाता है. तो let us say हमारे पास air present in the cylinder, air present originally let us say it is equal to x units. x यूनिट्स है हमारे पास स्टार्टिंग में. Let us say x units. Let us say it is equal to a1, पहली term. Now second term will be obtained by removing 1/4 of it. इसका 1/4 हमने remove कर दिया, तो ये हो गया. Third will be it will be 3x में से इसका 1/3 remove कर दिया हमने. 1/3 of 3x upon 4 it will be equal to a3, and solve करने पर we are getting the third term as इसको आप एलसीएम लेके माइनस करेंगे, it will be 9/16 x units and so on. Now next will be fourth term will be 9/16, that is a4. 9/16 x minus 1/3 of 9/16 x. When you simplify it, you will get this as 27/64 x units is like this. So we are getting the terms as x, 3x upon 4, and 9/16x, 27/64x, and so on. So these are the terms we are getting. Now if we find the first common difference, that is if you subtract from second term its first term, it will be you are getting at minus x upon 4. You find another common difference when you subtract the second term from the third. So 9x/16x minus 3x/4, you are getting this as minus 3/16x. तो इसके जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है they are not same. इसके जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है they are not same. They are not same. So because d1 is not equal to d2, because d1 is not equal to d2, क्योंकि d1 d2 के बराबर नहीं है. I'm writing it here. Because d1 is not equal to d2, therefore not AP. ये AP नहीं है, अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन नहीं बना रहा है. So this is the question number 1, second part. तो अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, the terms are in arithmetic progression if the common difference is always same. Let us take the third part of this question number 1. What it says that? It says that the cost of digging the well after every meter of digging, when the cost is 150 for the first meter and rises by 50 for each. So इसका जो पहली term है, it is how much? 150 rupees. Second term is obtained by adding per meter is 50, that is 200 rupees, and so on. Third term is 200 में 50 ऐड करने पर it is 250, and the fourth term is 250 में if you add 50 it is equal to 300, and so on. So therefore we are getting the term as 50, 200, 250, 300, and so on. तो उसका फर्स्ट कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करिए. 200 minus 150 it is equal to 50. सेकेंड कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करिए. 250 minus 200 it will be equal to 50. थर्ड कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड कर लीजिए. 300 minus 250 it is equal to 50, and so on. So because d1 is equal to d2 is equal to d3, so on, therefore it is forming the arithmetic progression. क्योंकि उसका कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम आ रहा है तो arithmetic progression बना रहा है. कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम होना चाहिए. Let us take its fourth part. आप इसका fourth part लीजिए. Fourth part says that the amount of the money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at the compound interest of 8% per annum. 8% per annum in the fourth part. So amount after first year, it will be, फॉर्मूला आपको पता है, एक साल बाद ये अमाउंट हो जाएगा. तो 10,000 डिपॉजिट हुआ है. रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज 8%. So it is coming out to be the first term. Let us call it A2. Amount of the after second year it will be, ये हो जाएगा 8/100 की पावर 2. Let us call it second term. और amount after 3 years will be A P 1 plus R/100 की पावर n, and so on. Let us call it A3. And amount after 4 year, let us 10,000 or it is 10,000 है. तो इट विल बी 8/1000 की पावर 4, लेट अस कॉल इट A4 एंड सो ऑन. सो व्हेन यू फाइंड द फर्स्ट कॉमन डिफरेंस दैट इज A2 में से आप A1 माइनस करेंगे, इसमें से ये माइनस करेंगे, तो यू आर गेटिंग दिस एज, माइनस करने पर 10,000 1 plus 8/100 into 8/100. You take your own time to find the common difference. Common difference second, A3 में से A2 माइनस करने पर आपके पास आ जाएगा, you are getting this as 10,000 into 1/100 की पावर 2 into 8/100. तो बिकॉज कॉमन डिफरेंस इज नॉट इक्वल टू, बिकॉज ये कॉमन डिफरेंस बराबर नहीं है, पहला कॉमन, तो देयरफॉर नॉट AP, ये AP नहीं है. सो दिस इज द concept of the arithmetic progression. You have to find whether the given word problem forming the arithmetic progression or not. Okay, we'll continue the next lecture. Thank you.